Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cards at home for playing. First, gather your essential materials to begin this fun project. You'll need sturdy cardstock, a good pair of scissors, and a ruler for precise measurements. Don't forget your preferred adhesive, whether it's a glue stick or tape, and any decorative elements like markers or stickers to personalize your deck. Having these items ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's design and cut your cards. Begin by measuring and marking your cardstock to ensure each card is a consistent size, perhaps 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches. This uniformity is key for a playable deck. Next, draw or print your desired card faces and backs onto the marked areas. Finally, carefully cut out each card, taking your time to achieve clean, straight edges for a professional look. To make your handmade cards last longer, consider enhancing their durability. One excellent method is laminating them, which provides a protective layer against wear and tear. Alternatively, you can apply a clear adhesive film to both sides of each card for a similar effect, creating a smooth, resilient surface. For a truly professional touch, use a corner rounder tool to give each card rounded edges, preventing fraying and improving handling. The best part about making your own cards is the freedom to customize and play. Let your creativity shine by personalizing each card with unique artwork, colors, or even a specific theme. You can even invent entirely new game rules tailored to your custom deck, making your playing experience truly one of a kind. Gather your friends and family and enjoy countless hours of fun with your very own handmade playing cards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.